the mRNA so-called vaccines are not vaccines in the least bit. It appears they even changed the definition of vaccine to meet the criteria to be able to include these mRNA injections. So what the mRNA shots are is what's called a gene transfer platform. So it's taking modified messenger RNA, which has been modified to last very long in the body, which literally makes it so stable your body can't break it down. They put them in what's called lipid nanoparticles. So kind of these bubbles made of fat you could think of that easily go inside the cells. And so what that happens is when they inject you with the mRNA injections, instead of, killed pathogens kind of perhaps staying near the arm, these bubbles go everywhere, literally everywhere. They go to your brain, your heart, they go to your bone marrow, they go to your reproductive system, they go everywhere. And then this modified messenger RNA goes out of the bubbles it goes inside of your cells in these organ systems and tells those cells to become a toxic spike protein production factory. So it's basically telling your heart, telling your brain to literally become non-human protein production factories. So it's making them, instead of producing the proteins they should be making, essential for human function, they will begin to produce a weird monster Frankenstein protein developed in a laboratory. And so then that marks those organ systems for autoimmune attack. Mm-hmm. So then that's why your own body will then begin to attack the heart, myocarditis. It will begin to attack the brain, strokes. That's why we see strokes. And it'll destroy the immune system. That's why we see turbo cancers. And so all of what I just described is not a vaccine. When you start to have foreign non-self proteins like expressing themselves in your body, your immune system does not want that. It thinks they're foreign invaders. And so, it will program your immune system to start to attack wherever that spike protein is being produced. It doesn't care where it is. It sees a foreign invader, it wants to eliminate it. Unfortunately, in the process, that can eliminate healthy tissues as well. And that's why the adverse event profile is so large and wide. And literally spans every single bodily system because it goes everywhere and it has that same type of mechanism.